Ken Boyer from Garage Gurus. Today I'd like to demonstrate how to check the flatness on a Cummins ISX cylinder head. But before we do, I want to point out that you'll notice the head has already been polished. I had the head into a shop to get checked for leaks. They pressure tested the head, they heated it up, pressure tested, made sure it didn't have any cracks, and they went ahead and cleaned the head up. There weren't any gouges or pitting that would constitute a replacement, but they did clean the surface up. So as you'll notice, we probably won't have any warpage on this head. So we're doing this video for demonstration purposes only. Now the two tools you need are feeler gauges and the straight edge. So let's get started. Okay, so in order to check this head correctly, there's about 6 locations that need to be checked. You're going to check it diagonally, like this, and then like this. And then you're going to go across each cylinder, all the way down the head, all 6 cylinders, and go down the head and check it. So you're going to take your 6,000 feeler gauge, and you're just basically going to do the check to make sure that you don't see any warpage. You're going to do it in that direction. You're going to do it in this direction, all the way across the head. And then you're going to set, as I spoke earlier, you're going to set the straight edge across each cylinder, and you're going to check the warpage in that direction. So once you've completed, that's all the checks that you need to do to make sure that the head is ready to be reinstalled. I hope you found this video helpful. I'm Ken Boyer with Garage Gurus. For more tech tips like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.